So now it is very clear that what is the difference between speed and velocity. Speed has only magnitude, means whatever distance it has covered in particular time period, whereas velocity has magnitude as well as direction, whatever distance has covered by the body and in what direction that distance was covered. Okay, so speed has only magnitude, that's why it is a scalar quantity, whereas velocity has magnitude as well as direction, that's why it is a vector quantity. Let's have an example. Suppose a car is moving from Delhi to Punjab, covering 250 kilometers in 6 hours. This is one of the example of speed. Why? Because here magnitude is 250 kilometers, that the car is covering 250 kilometers in 6 hours only from Delhi to Punjab, but it is not clarifying in which direction the car is moving, right? So in this case, because it is having only magnitude, that's why it is one of the example of speed. We can calculate its speed by distance covered by time taken. Distance covered is 250 kilometers and time taken is in 6 hours. On division 41.66 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now if I change the statement, a car is moving from Delhi to Punjab covering 250 kilometers in 6 hours towards north, means I have specified direction. So it becomes example of velocity, because velocity is what? Distance covered or distance traveled in per unit time in a specific direction. So by the formula, distance covered in a specific direction by time taken. So distance covered is 250 kilometers, specific direction is towards north, time taken is 6 hours. So it becomes 41.66 kilometers per hour. Again the answer is same as a speed. So this concluding what? That speed and velocity can be same in one condition only, when the body is moving on a straight path. Only in that case the value of speed and velocity will become same.